Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Smolecoin. Now the Smolecoin was just announced as getting a brand new central exchange starting today on a very big central exchange. Actually, not only one, they got listed on a whole bunch of different central exchanges today. Very popular token today, the Smolecoin. It's trending on DEX tools right now. I'm sure it's trending on a lot of other sites as well. But we're going to go over the information on the Smolecoin, ticker symbol Smole, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a Solana meme coin. Now I've got a whole bunch of different central exchange listings today. I'll name a few, but we're not going to go over how to get it off every single exchange because it's kind of redundant. So we'll go over a few and a decentralized way how to get it too. So it just got listed on XT. So they all got listed today. All these listings are for March 21st today, so it's already listed on all these exchanges. So it got listed on xt.com today. It got listed on HTX. It also got listed on gate.io. And then it got listed on Bitrue, BitGet, and Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, there's many ways to get it, but if you don't have any of those accounts, I do have a Bitrue and a Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use those if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global or that Bitrue referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Smole, SMOLE, and then simply just buy the token. I think I saw LBANK follows them, so maybe they got an LBANK listing as well. They also got listed on Coinex Global. I just see that as well. So basically almost every big exchange you could think of. I do also have a Coinex Global referral code down there. But probably LBANK, if I go over there and check LBANK, I bet you it's listed on there today. So you have basically trader's pick of where you want to get this token here. I don't see an LBANK listing, but they do follow them, so maybe it's coming soon. And then, yeah, it's possible they got listed on other places. But anyways, if you want to get the token in a decentralized way, you can get it by funding your Phantom or your Solflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Smolecoin using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, smolecoin.com. Now, on their webpage, they do have the contract address right at the top of the page. A small mole and the smallest Smolecoin in the Smolana Smolenet. And they have a link to their Telegram, their Twitter, Discord, and yeah, all their social links are on there. You can find this token listed on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, CoinGecko. It could be on CoinMarketCap as well. I haven't checked yet, but those are all different places where you can see the chart. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $527,434. And their market cap right now is, it says $86,093,000. So needless to say, they are doing very well today. 6 decimal places on this token. And they have a current supply 419,999,998,905 tokens. So they obviously started out with 420 billion tokens, and it is deflationary. Right now they have 47,471 holders. That is a lot of holders. You can find all their social links also on CoinMarketCap, contract address. They do have a list of socials that they're available on, so I might have missed some here. There's another, so other dexes besides Raydium. It says they're on Orca, they're on Meteora. So they're also on BingX. Oh yeah, I did mention BingX. And then what else? Poloniex. So that's another one. It says they're on OrangeX. And yeah. So I basically have referral codes for Coinex, Bitrue, and Mexc Global were listed. So you got 3 choices just down there in the description box. If you want to use any of those, that's where this token is at starting today. Now, according to Dex Tools, they are on CoinMarketCap. I can see the link there. And if you go to Dex Tools, you can find CoinGecko, SoulScan, CoinMarketCap, their email, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and website. And they say here that they have 194.36 thousand pooled SOL on Raydium, which is equivalent to 167.53 billion tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99, a community trust score of 93.5%, and that is out of 46 votes. And then they also have here a quick audit on DEX Tools. You can find it if you scroll down. It is by Quick Intel Security, and there's no bad warnings on it. It's just all good check marks, but keep in mind, it is only a quick audit. It's not a full audit, and you should always look out for full audits and KYCs. But it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So besides that, I mean, this pool for this token on Raydium was just created basically 14 hours ago, 22 minutes. And so they already have 47,000 holders. I'm not sure. Some of it could have came from airdrops or private sales or things like that. It doesn't specify, but that's a lot of holders anyways. But yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Smole? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.